Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Today I have two beautiful children with me. Let them introduce themselves. Here we have
Daria
and
Mora.
and what they're going to do, we're going to play a Patwa game. So they're going to be given some Patwa sentences and they should translate the Patwa sentences to English, as well as they will be given some English sentences and then they will translate those English sentences. Now the first sentence is an English sentence. I am going to give it to Amora. And Amora, we will be doing the point system to see who gets the most points. Who will win?
Me.
Alright, so let's see if it will be Daria or if it will be Amora. Alright, so let us begin. Amora, what is for dinner?
What for dinner?
Correct. Daria, I am going to school.
I'm going to school.
No, you're going to give me the Patwa. I am going to school. You
I
want?
am going to school.
No, you want to help her, Amora?
Yeah.
What is it?
May I go to school?
Me I go to school. Alright, so 2 for Amora. Alright, Amora, where are you going?
Where you go?
What did you say?
Where you go?
Correct. Remember to talk loud. Daria. I am playing.
I am playing.
No.
Me a player.
Yes! Very good, Daria. Daria get her first point. Amora now. Who took up my mango? Who took up my mango?
Who take up my mango?
Yes. Yes. Who take up my mango? Daria. Give me my snack.
Give me a snack.
It's your snack though, so what should you say?
Give me a snack.
Give me.
Give me a snack.
Great. Go, Daria. Daria, step up. Alright, and the last one I'm going to ask is, and I'm going to ask Amora.
Yes.
Who is the winner so far?
Amora.
Alright, so the last one I'm going to ask is, anybody hand go up first in the air, they will get that point. I travel in a taxi. Who's
Me traveling a taxi. That's it. I'm just.
Alright, go ahead, Amora.
Me traveling a taxi. Me traveling a taxi.
Alright, very good. So both of you, I will award the points to both of you. So give yourselves a clap.
And pat on the back.
Alright.
No English?
Now, Patwa, we're going to translate the Patwa to English. Daria, the first one is for you. Yes. Alright, ready now, Daria. Me I go a shop.
I'm going to shop.
Yes, but say it again. I
am going to shop.
Yes! Yes, Daria got that one. Celebrate. Yes, celebrate. Alright, your turn now, Amora. Amora, what you say?
What do you say?
Say it again.
What do you say?
Or what did you say?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Daria, say Daria, step up. All right, Daria, this one is for you. Where you come from?
Where me come from? No.
Where you come from? Remember, it's English you're going to say it in, you know. Where you come from? If you want Amora to help, say help.
No. Easy cheese, easy cheese, lemon squeezy. Yes, where did you say?
Where you come from?
I come from.
No, don't answer the question. You're going to say it in English. You start it with where? Where?
They come from.
No.
Africa.
No. How you reach Africa in this? Africa you don't know? Let me see if we're there Africa. We know there no Africa. Alright, come again.
Media.
No, you must don't answer the question. I want you to tell me in English, just like alright. The first one I asked you, I said, me I go a shop, and you say I am going to the shop, right? So this one that I ask you is where you
going to shop.
No, so this one that I ask you is where you come from. So where?
Me come from.
No, help her Amora.
Okay. No.
Alright, since you know want Amora help you. Where what? You're asking somebody a question. Ask a question now. Where
Where I am going.
No. Yes, Amora.
No. Where question?
The question is, and you're going to convert it to Patwa. It's where you come from.
Where me come from? Wrong.
Say it, Amora.
Where do you come from?
No.
What?
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
I'm
from Jamaica.
Yeah, man, I know that you're from Jamaica, but you're converting. You are converting. All right?
Yeah.
All right. So who got that point? No, I'm not going to give it to anybody. All right. So the next one, turn around, Daria, is me eat patty and cheese.
It's my turn. I eat patty and cheese.
I eat patty and cheese. Come now, Daria. Your own now is, me give you one easy one. Wagwan.
What's up?
Yes! Jump. Yeah.
It's not it.
Alright, so Daria got that one. Daria said.
It's basically. Say the question again.
What I said to her, Wagwan.
What is going on?
She said, what's up? Or it could be, how are you? Alright?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. My turn.
Alright, so before we continue, just to give you a heads up, we're in Accompong town in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica.
Okay.
Very beautiful scenery.
Yeah. Hi.
And the kids, they decide to do this challenge. But who is the winner though? Let me see the winner celebrate. Who is the winner? Alright, so let us, you know why we're going to give Daria the win? Because Daria didn't get it in the beginning, but after a while now, Daria started to improve. It's like she picked up on it right away, and then she started to answer the questions correctly. Okay, so this is the next challenge. They're going to give each other English sentences or Patwa sentences to answer, and the winner will receive a
100 bucks of chocolate.
100 bucks of chocolate. All right, it is a surprise. Let us go now. Daria, ask Amora your first Patwa sentence, and she must tell you in English. Look at her.
What I'm doing?
No, Patwa.
How Pata talk?
No man, Patwa is say what me I do.
What me I do? What are you doing? Correct.
What am I doing?
What am
Yes, but come now, that was just a testing. Come now, Daria. Say it now. Ask her a Patwa.
What I am doing?
Change it.
Where I am going?
Patwa.
Where me I go?
English, Amora.
Where are you going?
She said, where me I go?
Where I am going?
Where am I?
Where am I going?
Yes, you ask Daria now.
Me I go to school. I am going to school.
Yeah! Daria, you ask her one more now. One more Patwa.
What? What my mother do?
Amora.
Set up. What my mother do? What is my mother doing?
Yes. Ask Daria now.
Me I go to door. I'm going out a door.
Try again.
I'm going outside.
Yes, I am going outside. Very good. English now. So Amora asks Daria English.
Okay, English cheese busy. You're gonna tell me in a part while you're here? Okay. Look at that bird. Look at that bird.
No, say it in Patwa.
Look at the bird.
Yeah! Tell Amora English now. Tell Amora English.
Look at the sky. Look at the sky.
Give Daria English.
Okay. I am going to play. May I go play?
Yeah, looking at camera and say it now.
May I go play?
Oh, all right. And that's it. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
But overall though, who won the challenge?
Me.
I am going to tally the scores and then we're going to put it at the end of the video. But who won? Let me see the winner celebrate.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. I do hope you enjoy seeing these Jamaican children speak Patwa, and it was just refreshing to watch. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaica.
Bye.
Move. Ready. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.